So, hello everybody. Today, the date is 24th of January 2024, and from now onwards, I would like to discuss what I had read each day uh, uh, at the night so that I can revise what I had studied today. Talking about what today I had studied, so first of all, I will discuss today my routine of today. So today I woke up around 7:30 a.m. and because our class was scheduled at 8:30 a.m. of machine learning, so we had taken our breakfast till 8:25 or 8:30, and then we reached our class where our machine learning class had happened. And in the machine learning class, it was scheduled from 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. So after that we had gone in the academic building. There my friend Niketan had some work, so we had gone there, and after that I returned back to my hostel and applied the minoxidil on my hair. And after resting for uh, 10 to 15 minutes, we again went back to the code 2, room number 222202, where our robot vision and sensing class was scheduled. So it was scheduled from 11 to 12 p.m. So after the class, in the class of robot sensing and vision, I was not able to understand in the class, so I was working on my iPad. I was reading the means journey of IAS Aditya Pandey. So after that, at 12 o'clock, I came back. First of all, we all gone to the research building where we had marked our attendance, and then came back. And then from there, I gone to market complex and buy hanky. I bought two hanking, each for 30 rupees, so total 60 rupee I paid. After that, I returned from there and came to hostel. And after returning to hostel, I had I had means I asked the sweeper to clean my room, so he cleaned my room, and at around 3:30 p.m. I went to a study room to study for my UPSC. So in UPSC syllabus, I was reading the just going through the syllabus of the UPSC. So what so first of all, I will discuss the exam pattern of UPSC. Talking about UPSC, it is scheduled in three stages. First stage is prelims, second is mains, and third is interview or personality test. Talking about prelims, it is two it is uh, it consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Each paper consists of 200 marks. In paper 1, it is of 200 marks, 100 questions will be there, and 2 hours time is allotted. And question and paper 2 is of CSAT. It has 80 questions, and it is qualifying paper, that is 30, more than 33% is required. And all this prelims is of objective type. And now talking about UPSC main, it consists of two means just qualifying paper, and seven papers which is of competitive type, that we has to score more and more in that paper. So talking about first qualifying talking about first qualifying in nature paper, that is of an Indian language, and the second is of English. These both paper are of 300 marks, and minimum, and we need to minimum required 25% in both these paper. After that, paper 1 comes of essay, and in this week, it they may ask to write essay on various topics. And coming to paper 2, paper 2 is of GS1, paper 3 is of GS2, paper 4 is of GS3, and paper 5 is of GS4. Now coming to paper 6 and 7, it is of optional. That is, we had to select one optional subject, and these two papers are of optional only. And now and after that it is the interviewer personality test. It consists of 275 marks. So overall the total marks are 2025. Now talking about what I had studied today, uh, so I will briefly go through the means syllabus which I had gone through today. Talking about the syllabus in the prelim syllabus GS1 paper, first of all, the first thing was from current affairs. First was of current affairs, then second was of history, then third part was of geography, and the fourth part was of polity. And the and then like that I will go through this in some descriptive way. The first part was current events of national and international importance, and the second part was uh, history of India and Indian national movement, and then and then Indian and world geography in this physical, social, economic geography of India and world, and then Indian polity and governance uh, in this constitution, political system, uh, public panchayati raj, public policy, and then um, and I didn't remember public policy, and then rights, uh, individual rights. I don't remember exactly. And then coming to next part was the economic and social development, sustainable development, and then poverty. Mm, and um, let me see that it was of economic and social development, poverty, inclusion, demographics, social sector initiative. Now coming to next part, that is general issues on environmental ecology by general issues on environmental ecology, biodiversity, and climate change. General issues on environmental ecology, biodiversity, climate change, and then the last is general science. Now coming to paper 2, that is of CSAT, it it will test comprehension, interpersonal skill including communication skill, and then logical thinking and analytical ability, and then decision making and problem solving, general mental ability, and basic numeracy. I had also I had also studied GS1 syllabus, so that was mainly consist of Indian heritage and culture, and then history and geography of India and world, and many more things in this. And that's all for today. And I will continue this for uh, coming days also, because I need this is a method for me to revise all the things which I had studied today, and also to uh, to be fluent in speaking in English. So I will continue this.